So hey guys, OnePlus is gonna launch its first 5G affordable device in this month, which will cost under $500. But now a new Geekbench listing shows another budget device from OnePlus with latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 690 SoC silicon. This chipset was launched recently last month and it is the first 5G ready silicon under the Snapdragon 600 series. The device, which is listed on this website, has 6GB of RAM and runs on latest operating system Android 10, and it is also got 609 for single core score and 1728 for multi-core score. These scores are very close to the Oneplus Nord score but slightly lower than that. The motherboard is also same for both of the devices as well. Talking about the features, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 690 also supports Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi 6 and supports Full HD Plus display with 120Hz of refresh rate and Quad HD Plus display with a 60Hz panel. Based on the features of the chipset, we can deduce some of the specifications of the OnePlus device. And for the display, it will have a Full HD Plus panel. It should also have a higher refresh rate of at least 90Hz. OnePlus already said last year that all of its phones will have a higher refresh rate, and we presume this will also apply to its mid-range smartphone section as well. While the official name of this phone is not known, there are speculation it may be OnePlus Nord Lite or something else, but OnePlus has already confirmed that Nord is a line of affordable smartphone, so any OnePlus device that is not a flagship one will launch under this Nord lineup only. So that is it in today's video guys. Let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about this device from OnePlus with Snapdragon 690, and I'll catch you in my next video.